In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your account on HeroFX to Metatrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to herofx.co. From here, you'll need to log into an account or register for an account if you don't already have one. From here, you'll need to go over to the menu and click Accounts. And then you'll need to scroll down until you see all of your specific accounts down here. And as you can see down here, you'll have all your Metatrader 5 accounts here. But if you also have demo accounts, you'll see them right under the contest. From here, you'll need to choose the Metatrader 5 demo account that you will choose, or actual account. From here, you'll see your login credentials right here. You'll see the Hero server and the password that you can click here to change if you don't have one. From here, you'll need to go into Metatrader 5, and from here, you'll need to go to File and then click Open an Account. From here, you'll need to go to the search bar and click in HeroFX and find your company over here until it shows right here in the dashboard. From here, you'll need to click Next, and here you'll need to go down to the third one called Connect with an existing trade account, and here you'll need to add in your login credentials, which you'll find here, and the password, which you'll find here. You'll also see the server here where you can choose HeroFX Trade and then click Finish. And then you will have successfully connected your HeroFX to Metatrader 5. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!